Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free movie app which you can get on your Firestick to get access to thousands of movies, probably even more than you could find on Netflix. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to your Fire TV Stick device. And first of all, you'll have to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll have to go to search on your device. So here's the search bar, we open it, and now we got to start typing downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you get downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, we need to go to settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. You open it, and now in here, you'll have to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, and then go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we have to go to the list of apps on your Fire TV. Here it is, we open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV Stick. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Slovakia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So now, finally, we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. We open it up and then head straight to downloader. Open it, and now in the app, what you have to do is start entering the code. So the code we use will be 492152. So once again, 492152. That is the code we have to enter. And then you click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the load of the app has started, so just wait a bit until it finishes. After that, you have to click on the install button and make sure that the app gets installed to your Firestick device. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, here it is, you will open it. And now there is the app which we just downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. After that, feel free to finally open that movie app. And in here you'll get access to loads of movies and TV shows, more than you can find on Netflix. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.